Are you ready? Break it down. Anywho, welcome to the microwave cleaning special. God help me. So in front of me I've got a cup, measuring cup, a bowl, a microwave safe bowl, and some out-of-date lemon juice. Now, oh Christ. I've also got an experiment we finished, but it's going upstairs instead of in a cupboard somewhere. So, yeah. Anywho, water's already in the bowl, so we don't need this. And, God help. I read online that this is a good way to clean a microwave. Like, you're supposed to actually put a lemon in, but I don't think we have one. I checked and we don't. So I'm just going to put, because it's really just the juice. That looks like half a lemon, he said, knowing full well it was more. No, I'm not doing a shot of this, unless I promise that, in which case that'll come later. I'll look back through the footage, and if I promise that, I'll append it onto the end of this video. Alright, so... Oh look, there's toothpaste on the fucking window. Yeah, we're still cleaning up. So, we learned some important things. Wait, is this... So there's a bit of, like, plastic, then there's a Faraday cage. Odd. Anywho, I read online somewhere that this might work. But honestly, I'm skeptical. So, I'll meet you back here in 5 minutes to see if it did anything. I'm just going to put more time on it. So I gotta go pee. We'll be back. I'll just cut. Don't worry, it's not alcoholic. I'm not microwave. I'm not drinking and I'm not drinking and waving. Anywho, you might have wondered, was it a good idea to do this show? No, but I did it anyway. Oh, beautiful. I'm getting what I want. Condensation. Okay. Are we ready to go in? Beautiful. Now there's no vapor going out. Holy shit. I actually haven't even boiled all of it off. But it's definitely going to be hotter. Oh. Well, that thumb's just fucked. I don't think it really did anything. But it did make me notice that there was more toothpaste hiding around. Yeah, I don't really think it did much of anything. No. just made everything a bit damper, which I think is probably good. Definitely like, it definitely purged the smell of the entire experiment process out. And for that, I am forever grateful. That bowl has been in a microwave for 8 minutes. In order to remove that, I'm going to need the power of warm water and a paper towel. Like, not warm, but like not cold. So I don't want to break anything. Okay, got it. Got it in hand. Ooh, that is hot lemon water. Let me smell this. Let me do this in front of you. I want to make you all jealous. That is nice. And a fair amount did boil off, so was it a good idea to microwave lemon water? Not the way I did it, but it definitely would be if you're looking to clean a microwave. You would have to go for longer. I just gave up because, well, Mama didn't, Mama didn't raise no quitter, but Mama did teach the boy when to just go, okay, this ain't fucking working. I think what I'm most surprised by is like how this fluid actually works as like a cleaning agent. But this I'm still confused as fuck about. There's some discoloration up here that just might have to do with this microwave being old. The fact that we've literally been for years opening it like this. Like I don't, whenever I see normal microwave handles, I don't know what to do. Just kidding. But is it safe to carry? No. Anywho, cheers to you. Hopefully the vlogs start up again soon. I've got to just check and see what else to fill in, and then they'll be back to normal. Because I've got to like fill in for up to this point, which is going to just be a lot of editing tonight, hopefully. I'm hoping to have, because this is being recorded on Sunday, October something or other, and basically whatever day this is on, I'm hoping that I can get all these videos out for tomorrow at noon, because that would at least give me Monday night to finish the gap. And the problem with getting all of these videos out by noon on Monday, sorry, I meant Tuesday, because I'm going to try and get the vlogs from this process finished tonight, or not from this process, from the making of the film, on like the 29th, 30th, and the 1st of October, because then hopefully at least I'm in October, and then I'm not behind on that anymore, and I can just finish catching up. I think this is 14 videos, so I should be good, and you might see a normal vlog tomorrow, for Tuesday, but Monday will certainly have a vlog. I'm guaranteeing it, that tomorrow, Monday, we'll have a vlog, and yeah, I'll just have to fill in any gaps. I'm just going to figure out what days I'm missing and then fill the gaps in if I have any left to fill. Alright, as always, thank you for watching. And yeah, it kind of was a good idea. I backtrack now. It was a good idea. It smells nice. Probably helped clear up my sinuses quite a bit, if I'm being honest. Alright, thanks for watching. And as always, good night!